I wish we had a little relief. Even the clouds aren't doing us much good. It's trapping the humidity. So if it isn't one thing,
we can't get a break?
Other.
Okay.
We can't. So here's another heat advisory. I wish I had better news for you. There's a live look at the Trend Tower camera in Rockwall. And the clouds are stubborn right now. They're kind of clearing just south of Tarrant County and Dallas County right now. Heat index 90, and we've trapped that humidity in the lowest layer here. So that extra Gulf moisture and winds out of the southeast means we are quite humid. There's the heat advisory from the Weather Service. Heat index values up to 107. That's going to be in place, so nothing near 120, but I don't know about you, still plenty hot. So take it carefully out there, especially if you're out for long periods at a time. 92 is what it feels like right now in Dallas, 90 McKinney, 90 Bonham, 92 Greenville, Farmersville. Still some pockets here with thicker cloud cover that are reading a touch lower, but I'm not too confident of that 84 in Stephenville. I bet it feels warmer than that. You could let me know. Forecast heat index values this afternoon, well, not pretty. Anytime you see the pink and the red on the map, it may look pretty, but it's very, very high heat index values. So again, not like the verifiable 121, 122 we had on Wednesday. In fact, some spots 105 degrees over a dew point of 74. You will probably not see that again for years. That's how humid that is, hopefully. But again, still going to be a warm day today. Let's go back over the past 18 hours. There's what's left of Bertha. It was coming ashore and kind of faded down to the south and east. Zooming in closer, this is where it kind of fizzled out after it burst into more thunderstorms over Harris County and Waller County. Now it's quiet. Let's zoom back out here. Little storm system coming from Oklahoma, as Kara just said. Now this has fallen apart as well, but that stationary boundary has now moved a little bit to the south. And again, that's what's responsible for a little more of that cloud cover, a little more of that humidity. The main remnants of Bertha, there you go, really dove southwest. They're now in Mexico. So they went from the Gulf all the way down into Mexico within a day, day and a half. And for us, we have a little residual moisture, but not a lot. And it's come to us in the form of humidity. Had a little bit of a drizzle. We may see that again tomorrow morning, but not much in the way of rain. So there's visible satellite and radar. This is visible satellite. Nothing on radar. We have some clearing down towards Corsicana, the 45 corridor here, but just not a lot. Maybe the southeastern part of Dallas County, but Collin County, Denton County, Tarrant, Parker, Wise, thick cloud cover for you. That should continue through the early part of the afternoon. Let's take high-res timecast here. 1 o'clock there. We still have some cloud cover through 2, 3 o'clock. It tries to ping up a shower or two. That will not happen. That's an indication of an excess of humidity in spots that these models pick up on. If anything, it'll evaporate on the way down, what's called virga. Then we go through timecast through the evening. Not much. Then we get a little frontal boundary. Should have some clearing skies tonight. Again, trying to pop up. Can't rule out a drizzle tomorrow morning, but most of us, again, see some cloud cover finally clearing perhaps the middle of the day tomorrow. But for most of us, it's just going to be very, very hot today with that cloud cover. Still, the heat index up to 108. 97 for us today. Here's where the temperatures are going, okay? 100 tomorrow, 101 on Sunday, but that's with more of a southwest wind. So 97, 100, 101, 102 next Monday, 103, 104, 105. Might as well just go up the ladder here. 101 then on Friday, and then next weekend, now we just have a 10% chance. Don't get too excited, but maybe a little pattern change next weekend as we enter August. Hard to believe it's that time of year, but this is on par for the course, pretty much. Just a few degrees above average, but the next 2 weeks are going to be very hot as you'd expect. No activity forecasted in the tropics either. We might get a break for rain the following weekend, perhaps on Saturday.